When your Denon receiver's volume changes unexpectedly, remote or signal interference is often the culprit. Let's systematically diagnose these common interference issues. First, ensure a clear line of sight between your remote and receiver. Remove any objects that might block the infrared signal path. Strong sunlight, LED lights, and infrared signals from 3D devices can disrupt your receiver's communication. Try repositioning the receiver away from these interference sources. Make sure your remote is set to control the correct zone. Check that it's configured for main zone or zone 2, depending on your setup. HDMI-C can sometimes interfere with your receiver's remote control. Try disabling it temporarily. On Samsung TVs, go to Settings, then General, then Device Manager, and turn any Net Plus off. If these interference checks don't resolve the issue, the next step is to examine the remote control itself and check your receiver's audio settings. When remote interference isn't causing your Denon receiver's volume issues, the problem likely lies in audio settings or receiver configuration. Let's systematically troubleshoot these potential causes. Next, check the input source levels in your receiver settings. Different inputs may have varying signal strengths, causing volume jumps when switching between sources. Navigate to Setup, then Inputs, then Source Level to adjust each input individually. Dynamic volume and dynamic EQ are common culprits for unexpected volume changes. These features compress the dynamic range, making quiet sounds louder and loud sounds quieter. Try disabling these features or using the evening setting for a more balanced experience. Running Odyssey calibration can resolve many audio inconsistencies. Use the included microphone and follow the on-screen prompts to optimize your receiver's settings for your specific room acoustics. If settings adjustments don't resolve the issue, try power cycling your receiver. Disconnect the power cable for 10 to 15 seconds, then reconnect. This simple reset can resolve temporary glitches and restore normal operation. As a last resort, perform a hard reset. Power off the receiver, then simultaneously hold the Tuner Preset Minus and Tuner Preset Plus buttons while pressing power until Initialized appears on the display. This will restore factory settings. If none of these troubleshooting steps resolve the volume issues, contact Denon support or consult a qualified audio technician. The problem may be hardware-related, such as faulty capacitors or internal component failure requiring professional repair.